guys, assalamu alaikum. Kamar yadda kuka sani, sunana Sarah Aloysius, wato taku yar kabila. If this is your first time of coming here, my channel, kindly adanna mun kararawa. Adanna subscribe first, sai adanna mun alamar kararawa. If this is your first time of coming here, kindly hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell, so that anytime I post anything on my channel, you're going to get notified. So today, I've been wanting to, I've not been making time for my vlog, I've not been making time to talk, I've not been making time to talk to you guys. I always try as much as possible once in a while to put up something educating up here, but I'm a Aiki exam, Aiki Yar Avila, and a lot of other things they don't allow me to do. Basically, I've not been giving time for my vlogging, you know, whatever. So I just decided to talk about and I did my ina son vlog din nan, ina son magana akan privacy mutane, how people invade in your privacy, whether online or whether your normal personal life, and how much kai da kanka kuma ke da kanki, and how much you contribute in making them, because I mean, you're making them invade into your privacy. If you ask me, the end of people are always going to talk, or whatever it is you do, people are still going to talk, or people are still going to enter your shit hole. But there are things you will do that is going to cap one abu one. Zai dan rage me ake ce da shi ne da Hausa Allah na. Kaza London. What's invading of privacy da Hausa? Anyways, if you know, kindly comment down. Ni kullun koya Hausa nan nake. Kullun koya nake. Idan na faɗi wani abun da ba shi ba ana gyara mun ni ina dauka. To yanzu invading privacy mutum, idan mutum yana so ya faɗe shi da Hausa, maybe na sani na manta, amma dai basically tunda ban iya na faɗa yanzu ba, that means I don't know. So kindly help me drop it. Ku rubuta min shi a comment section. So invading privacy mutum is when you try to put your mouth as a human being into personal affairs na wani koko wata. When you try to put your mouth, when you try to put your hand inside abin da bai shafe ka ba, especially when it's something personal that has nothing to do with you, that maybe idan abin ya lalace ko yayi kyau ma, it has no effect on you, it's not going to reflect on you. Idan ya yi kyau sai dai ka ce wa mutum alhamdulillah sannu ka mai barka, idan ko abin ya lalace sai dai ka mai shi jaje, it's not going to affect you in any way. Shine ni my own understanding of invading of privacy. Abin da bai shafe ka ba ka je ka sa baki, ko abin da bai shafe ka ba ka je ka tono personal abu na rayuwar wani. That's what me I understand by, what do you call it, invading of privacy. So invading of privacy, simply in English, it means when you try to put your mouth inside something that does not concern you, especially if something is personal to someone, especially if something is personal to someone else's life, or when the thing is personal to someone's past, someone present, basically something that does not concern you or your life. That's what I know about privacy. Especially if that thing is good, or if that thing turns out to be good, or it's not going to affect you in any way, whether negative or positively. If that thing turns out to be bad, or you can only say sorry to the person. You can only say congratulations, or it's not going to affect you in any way. Rara. That's what I know, the invasion of privacy. So let's quickly talk about abubuwa da mu ko kuma kai ko ke kike yi da yake sa mutane suna iya tsuma miki baki, ko ki sa miki baki, ko su sa maka baki akan abin da bai shafe su ba, abin da dai kawai ya shafe ka na rayuwarka. Number one mistake da muke yi shine, da babban abu ya faru da kai, whether good or bad, we don't keep things to ourselves. You understand? Especially in the rayuwa ta zama yanzu, we don't keep things to ourselves. We talk too much, whether talking verbally or using body language to tell people about your success or your failure sometimes a rayuwa. That problem, for example, abun farin ciki ya same ka ko ya same ki, you think you have a friend, and then you get to just gashi wasu ba su da me ake ce da wannan Hausan, me yasa Allah ya yi ciki wai ko ba dan rike abinci kadai Allah ya yi ciki ba, dan rike wasu abubuwa. There are things you just need to keep to yourself